Hi fams, welcome back to NeoTech, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can log out of linked devices from your Netflix. Now the first thing is to log into your Netflix account, and then you'll want to click on the top right corner of the screen to see the menu, and then click on Accounts. So from the options on the left, we're going to click on Devices, and then click on Access and Devices. And from here you can see all the devices that have access to your Netflix account. So you can just go ahead and sign out or remove any of the devices, and if you want to instead sign out of all these devices at once, you can just go ahead and click on sign out of all devices. So that's how to go about signing out of devices for your Netflix account. There you have it guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.